Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Look where we're heading towards. Hawthorne. We're in Hawthorne. Today is the excuse me. Today's the 19th of December. The time is 2 minutes after 2. Handy like that, 2 minutes after 2. So I hope I can get around this gentleman over here. Yeah, I can. How you doing? Yeah, it's a Thursday. Let's see what the temperature is. Wow. 43. Sure don't feel like 43. Feels more like 40. Oh, let me fix my gloves. Gotta watch for this car coming in here. On my left. Thank you. Yeah, I got a few more subscribers. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, give me a like. I appreciate it. It's a cold day today. I'm sorry, under this trestle, it's too windy, noisy. Oh, am I in my high gear? Why does it feel so light? Oh, maybe that's why. Oh, I have my phone off. Happened to me again. Well, I can't go anywhere to get the red light. So we'll hit the button over there. Nice car over there. I'll get this one going again. I gotta show my face. Oh, there it is. Put my speedometer on. Should we go up there or go straight up this way? Well, I got the green light now. Make sure she was looking where she was going. Look behind me just in case. Oh, my mirror. Oh, they're blowing the leaves again. Yeah, so my battery was not fully charged. I don't know why it feels so easy to pedal. Maybe you have more resistance. Oh, I know what I did. Let's see if that had anything to do with it. It did. Okay, it did. So I'm gonna have to fix that. I changed the wheel size. I'm gonna try to make a left somewhere. Oh, it's right and nice though. Look, no bumpy now, huh? No more bumping around. Nice and stiff. Even when I go over these bumps, nothing. Oh, a little bit, yeah. That was my phone though, but my battery's nice and tight. I got my flag back on there. And I'm gonna show my bike in a minute. How nice and quiet is it now, huh? I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do here. Let me stop right here for a minute. I have to change that. You hold these two buttons. Let me show you this way. I hold these two buttons. And you keep clicking up till you get to the tire size. And now I gotta go all the way back down. Let's go to 29. Oh, 20, I had it at 28. So we'll leave it at 28. Hold them two buttons down again. Lock it in. Let me fix you guys again. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I hope I caught that. I just did that on this controller. Oh, a change coming. Oh, we got a Amazon delivery guy here. Oh, look at that. Wow, that was the problem. Oh my God, that was the problem. Let me see. Yep. Wow, I can't believe that. That made that much of a difference? Oh, hold on. Look at this, guys. I finally got it. We're coming to train. Wow, cool. There it is, I finally caught it. Wow, how cool was that? I hope you guys are straight now. There it goes, that thing's going up. There it goes. Last time we were here. Wow, we finally caught it, huh? Let me look down that way. Oh, what's going on here? Look at here. Wow. How cool was that? I want to cross. Cool. All right, guys, we got that. Wonder if, oh, well, I know Roy's gonna like this. My friend Roy Spellman. Oh, man. What do you think, guy? Oh, the wind is in my face. I know you guys can hear the wind. Believe it or not, if you can see the sky, it was so sunny before, about an hour and a half ago. I just couldn't get out there with the bike. So, I'm out here now. I hope you guys are recording. Let me see. Yeah, you guys are recording. There's the tracks on my right here. It's cold though, guys. Very windy. We got this nice little Harley Davidson over here. Oh, sorry about that. The chocolate box. Must be chocolates here. Nice. I don't have my green on, just my gloves. But I got my rain jacket, my rain pants. Oh, I didn't say what time was it, did I? Oh yeah, I did. I said it was 2 o'clock. And we're gonna head down this way a little bit. I don't know how good this video is gonna be. You know what? Let's go this way. I changed my mind. I don't want to stand still. Shop locally. Yeah, shop locally. That's for sure. Yeah, the battery's nice and tight now. I think I have to straighten out my steering wheel. I mean my steering wheel. My handlebars. That was so cool with the train. I loved it. I went across the street. I can't. All these trucks and cars, a lot of traffic. Alright guys, I know the video's gonna end soon, so hopefully you like it. I'm gonna continue on with another one after this. I know it's gonna be bad weather around here the next couple of days. It's gonna be like in the 20s and the 30s.